The review of the Public Service Act of 1995 started with consultations 8 years ago, which the Commission says is long overdue. Of particular concern in the Act is a clause on dealing with human resources, which the Commission says create unnecessary bureaucracy, especially in human resources practices in offices, ministries, agencies and regional councils. The Public Service Commission also wants the speedy finalization of the amendment of the Affirmative Action Act to include balanced restructuring.
We believe that our founding fathers and mothers had something in mind when they brought balanced structuring into our constitution. Because besides the Public Service Commission, where balanced structuring is mentioned, the Office of the Ombudsman has further been mandated by Article 91 of the Constitution that office has the duty to investigate complaints concerning the functioning of the Public Service Commission, administrative organs of the state, the Defense Force, Police Force, and the Correctional Service, insofar as complaints relate to the failure to achieve a balanced structuring of such services or equal access by all to the recruitment of such services or fair administration in relating to such services. Balanced structure, therefore, is the way to go for the Commission, since mandate is very clear from the Commission to have balanced structuring in mind in recruitment, right people in right positions in the public service. Your Excellency, Comrade President, we are stating these issues with the most respect and humbleness to highlight briefly challenges faced by the Commission on recruitments.
The human resources audit reports carried out at different offices, ministries, agencies and regional councils uncovered non-compliance to the Public Service Act and outdated structures of HR offices. The overall administration is also manual, resulting in the misplacement of documents and filing.
I just list a few. The declaration of interest, for example, it's not adhered to that. Public servants all the time declare interest of remunerative work outside the public service. Leave administration is an issue that has cost government a lot of money. The records sometimes are not found, forms are not signed. There is a number of issues. I will not go into the detail. Probation affects the upward mobility of staff members.
Government agrees to the urgency of the review of the Public Service Act. Prime Minister Sarah Gugongelwa-Amadila says the matter has been referred to the Office of the Attorney General for input.
We have finalized the draft Public Service Bill. We were advised that because there are legal implications on many of the provisions of the bill, we should be advised by the Attorney General. So we have submitted the bill to the Attorney General. There have been discussions between the OPM and the Attorney General officials at a technical level, and it remains now to have a policy level discussion once the technical officials at the Attorney General's office are done with their review of all the proposals that are in there. So we are in agreement that we need to reach finality on that bill.
The Public Service Commission also recommended that human resources issues be elevated to the parliamentary level, with reports to be analyzed by parliamentary committees and the executive directors be summoned to account. Blanche Kores, NBC News.